Hi, I'm Paul from Bottle Theory. Aside from cans and bottles, you can also buy kegs from us. If you haven't invested in a kegerator, we provide you with a keg kit that is somewhat similar. So traditionally, when you go and rent a keg, you're going to get something that's known as a party pump, which is a coupler with a giant pump on the end. And you pump it and be able to get the beer out. And that's great if you're finishing the keg in about a day. What you're doing is you're actually pumping oxygen into it, which not only oxidizes the beer and makes it taste not really good, but it also decarbonates the beer. So after about 12 hours, you have the equivalent of a beer sitting out on your countertop for 12 hours. So the way to go around that is to use this keg kit, and I'm going to show you how it works. The first thing that comes with it is a Sankey decoupler. So to tap the keg, you just insert it, rotate it until it latches, and just push this handle down. This is the gas inside, and this is where the beer's coming out. So the magic is in the CO2 canister. This is a 74 gram canister that can pump 1.5 of these kegs. First thing you're going to want to do is make sure on this regulator it's moved all the way to the back and turned off. Then you're just going to twist it in. And one thing is you got to go really hard and really fast. Gas is going to start to escape, and you just got to keep twisting through it until you hear it stop. And I'm going to show you how that works. So it's caught, and then when you're ready, you just go for it. And there you go. It is tight on there. So the next thing you're going to do is use this ball lock connector and attach it to the gas in post. The way this thing works is you just push down on this little lip. You're going to push down on the lip, push it on, and release the lip. Remember again that your pressure is down. You're going to pull up, you're going to push down, and release. That's it. And the last part is the actual beer line. It's got the same type of coupler. You pull down on the lip, and you put it on the top. Push down, push up, and it's on. And there's your beer. You're going to want to set it to maybe about 8 psi to start, and kind of see and go from there. Sitting at about, right about 8. Your first pour might be a little bit foamy. That's okay. It'll get a lot better after more beer comes out. Remember to always fully open your picnic tap. You can always change your regulator to get more foam, less foam, to get the perfect pour. Your next pour will be better. Cheers.